Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Cellitas subscription. If you have purchased any supplement and by mistake if you have taken any subscription, so how you can cancel it. So cancellation is very easy. What you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, in the email you need to write in the subject box like request of cancellation of subscription on Cellitas, and in the body you need to provide your account name, your account number if you have any, subscription starting date, end date, and make sure you are going to submit this request at least 5 to 7 days prior to your next billing date, or we can say you need to provide at least 5 to 7 days notice period to process your cancellation request. Okay, so once you done this thing, you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the written form in the reply of your email. Okay, and once you done this thing, you need to send this email at their email address, that is like info@cellitas.com. okay, you can see over here info@cellitas.com, and once it's done, once they receive your email, they will contact you and they will provide you reason like you are able to cancel your subscription or not. Okay, and what you can do for cancellation. Okay, so this is the only way by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way, because the subscription management each and everything in their hand. So you need to contact them, and then you can only cancel your subscription, or we can say they can only cancel your subscription by their end. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.